Hey guys, how we doing? Whoa, yeah, put the flippy down. It's becoming part of my intro. Put the flippy down. Ooh. Anyway, this video is going to be about how to get anything that you want in life. Anything. If it's a loved one, if it's a new house, if it's money, if it's a better job, if it's selling a house, if it's a career, if it's an education. You know, I'm going to show you, and we're only 29 seconds into this video. I'm going to show you within 2 minutes of this video, but I want you to watch the whole thing on how to do that, okay? First of all, I did a video, maybe about a year ago, called How the Perception of Belief Really Works. How the perception of belief really works. And I'll try to put it up in the link if I don't remember that, but that's the name of it. Go to that video and check it out. That's really dives deep into how your perceptions create your world, okay? 1 minute into this video, 1 minute, 7 seconds in this video, I'm going to tell you how to get anything you want. First, I'm going to say this. I'm not trying to sell you a masterclass. I'm not trying to clickbait you. I'm not trying to all the bullshit that you see online. But, oh, you know, if you take my masterclass, I'll show you, we're going to cut to the chase. This is how simple it is. Focus. This is what you need to do. Focus on the outcome. Just focus on the outcome. Let's say you're going to buy a house. Focus on the outcome. See yourself living in that house. See yourself furnishing that house. See yourself in the backyard barbecuing on your back porch in that house. See the city that you're living, where that house is, where you reside in that house. See the outcome. That's using that as a house as an example. Let's use education, okay? Let's say you're studying to be a doctor, you're studying to be a lawyer, you're studying to be whatever. See the outcome. Always keep your mind on the outcome. Don't look at the journey. Don't look at, oh, I've got all these years ahead of me before I get my degree, all this time ahead of me before I save the money to buy the house, all this time ahead of me before I can do this or do that. Just focus on the friggin' outcome, okay? Muhammad Ali, and I believe he quoted this, Muhammad Ali used to focus on the outcome. He would go into his dressing room. He would sit there. He'd chase out his coach. He'd chase out his trainers. He'd chase out the press. He'd be in that room by himself. And he would focus just on the outcome of that fight. Okay? He didn't worry about punching the guy or how big the guy was or any of the peripheral things you got to deal with when you're in a fight. He just saw himself focusing on the outcome. And he would name that outcome. He'd say, I'm going to knock this guy out in 3 rounds. And he would close his eyes and he would focus on that outcome. And he would do it. He would go in there and he would do it. 99.9% of the time, he would do it. So focus on the outcome. If you want to be wealthy, focus on the outcome. Pick a number. I want to be worth $10 million. I want to be worth $50 million. Whatever. This is how it works. And I talk more about this in my Perception of Belief video, but I wanted to revisit this because I got a lot of likes and a lot of people watching that video. When you focus on the outcome, let's say it's buying a house, your mind and your environment and your essence and source and everything that encompasses your life will start materializing the possibilities to see that outcome, okay? It's very simple. It's very similar. Okay, back up. If I stutter on a word now and then, or I say the wrong word now and then, that's just the way my brain works. I'm thinking quicker than I speak. Just don't worry about it. Take the information and run with it. Focus on the outcome. Here's an example. See it as a carrot, okay? You see the carrot, and you want the carrot. How are you going to get it? When you see the carrot, when you see the teaser, when you see the motivator, you will figure out your brain, you will figure out a way to get to that outcome, okay? I have so many people that I've worked with over the years, and the very first thing they do, most of them, they do when they come and they sit down in my office or they sit down with me wherever, even if it's at lunch or whatever, they start piling up all this bullshit they've got to deal with before they get to I got to make so much money, and I got to change my job, and I need a better vehicle, and my wife's holding me back, and my girlfriend's holding me back, and I was abused as a child, and I've got 3 left feet, and I got 11 eyes. Whatever, it's all bullshit, okay? I tell them, focus on the outcome, okay? That's all you need to do. The rest of it will correct itself. The rest of it will just correct itself. So let's say you want to go to college and you want to get your education, whatever the case may be. Let's say you want to go to college and you're sitting there going, oh, I don't have the money and I can't get the loans, or I'm too much in debt, or I don't have the time. Sit down and write down the outcome. Write it down. I want to be an attorney. I want to be a trial attorney. Write it down in detail. Write down the outcome. You can even put down the damn date. You say, well, I want to graduate in, 5 years or 6 years. I want to have a master's degree in 4 years. Write down the damn outcome and focus on that every day. When you do that, your mind and your environment, your essence, source, all the elements of the universe will start converging, and you will start chipping away and getting closer to that outcome. This has worked for me many times. It's worked for me buying a house in California, buying a house in Florida, becoming wealthy. It also worked for me going broke. Because I got so caught up in being in debt, I went broke, okay? So it can work the other way. It can work the other way around, because I was focusing on where I was, not where I wanted, not where I should be, okay? So am I broke now? No. I'm building back up again, okay? Because I'm focusing on the outcome. I started a YouTube channel a year ago. In about a year's time from now, I'll be making $4,000, $5,000, maybe $10,000 a month on my YouTube channel. Why? Because I'm focused on that outcome. I'm not focused on the peripheral. I know, back up. I got to make videos and I got to do the editing. I got to do all this stuff. I understand that. But I still, at the end of the day, at the beginning of the day, and as many times as I can, I'm focusing on that carrot. I'm saying, I'm going to do that. That's going to happen. That is going to freaking happen, okay? When you do that, all the obstacles that are in your way, you will kick out of your way. You will get them out of your way. I guarantee it. If you do this, if you follow what I'm telling you, this will work, okay? So, pick what you want to do. Second tip in this, I don't want you to pick a dozen things. Like, oh, I want to be all these things. I want to be an attorney, and I want to be a millionaire, and I want a multi-million-dollar house. Let's be realistic, okay? Pick one thing and focus on that one thing. When I talk about perception and belief in that video, it's about your perception. Your mind will only find a need. Your mind will not find a want. It will only discover a need for you, or will only find a way, only find the means to get what you want, okay? Now that I mentioned means, when I said focus on the outcome, don't worry about the friggin' means. Oh, I don't have the money. Quit worrying about the damn means. Our whole country is in it's a financial wreck. Everybody's in debt up to their eyeballs. The country's in debt up to their eyeballs. Why? Because we don't focus about, we focus about what we can do in 30 days. Well, I'm making enough money this month to pay this bill and to pay that bill. And I'm making this much money this week. You know, that mindset has got everybody in debt and everybody's stressed out. The country's stressed out, and it's not good because you're not, that process is there to hold you down, to manipulate you, to control you, to keep you in debt, to keep you under the thumb of that system so you never can get ahead. But you can beat it. You can friggin' beat this if you focus on the outcome and not a revolving life. Focus on the outcome and not a revolving life. You can do this. I know you can. I'm out of breath. I need some milk. I'm drinking milk. I get all nuts because I see so many people. I see so many people as clients when I do my lectures, when I'm doing my speaking. Simple example. I was at the dentist today, and I had an amazing guy work with me today on a couple of my teeth. And I gave him the same recipe, focus on the outcome, because so many people are just wrapped up into this. Well, I'm never going to do this. I'm never going to do that because I don't have the means. 3 things to remember. I'm going to close this video down. Don't worry about the damn means. The means will come if you focus on the outcome. Your perceptions, the way you think, the way you put that in your brain, your perceptions on who you are and what you are will come true if you focus on the outcome. Don't worry about the damn means. Forget about it. So, I got to save money for God. Go out, look at cars. Say, I want a car. I want a brand new car. I want a Tesla. Whatever. I don't care. Pick a car. Pick a car. And go to the damn car lot and look at the car. And drive the car. And drive the sales guy nuts. Because at that point in time, you got no money. You got no money to buy that car. But I guarantee you, if you keep going back there and keep driving that car and keep bugging that sales guy and keep doing it and doing it and doing it, you will find the friggin' means to buy that car. It might take you 6 months. It might take you 3 years. But your mind, your environment, your universe will find the means to buy that car. Focus up on the outcome. Don't worry about the means. Focus on the outcome. I get so pissed because it's just so friggin' simple. It really is so simple, but we are so conditioned in this damn country to be in fucking debt. Okay? I'll probably get bleeped because I said fucking. But we're so stuck in that. We're so stuck. This thumb. Take the thumb off you and create a great life for yourself. You can do this. You can create a great life for yourself. It's all about your perceptions about yourself. You are the greatest human being on the planet. It is you. It is you that will create a great life. It is you that will get whatever you want in life. It is you that will create great health in your body if you connect to source. It is you that can do all these things. You have the ability to do and get anything you want. You have the ability to do and have the best health that you want or desire. It's just a choice. It's a choice in your mind and in your essence that this is the human being that I'm going to be. I'm going to be the best human being I can be. You already are that internally. externally. In your mind, you've got to believe it. And it is true. I don't know a lot of people that watch my videos. I mean, I've got a big base out there. I don't know you individually. Or do I? I do know you individually, but I don't know you personally. But I know you individually. I know that you are a great human being. And you can have anything you want. Go out and get it. If you come to one of my seminars, I want to meet you. I want to shake your hand. I want to pat you on the back. I want to give you a hug. Because you can do this, okay? You can do this. Just get it done, okay? 2 things. I'm going to end this. I'm rambling. Focus on the outcome. Your perceptions create your life. Your perceptions create your life. Think about what creates your perceptions. Your environment creates your perceptions, meaning your friends, your physical environment, your emotional environment create your perceptions. And your perceptions and what you think about yourself, what you think about your possibilities are, create your life. We're good. Going on. I'm going away. I'm done. Love you guys. Thank you very much. Hit the like button. Tell a friend about my Facebook page. Tell a friend about my philosophy. You can do this. Have a great day. And I'll use this hand this time. Goodbye now.